hello everybody. Now we are just going to see what is about model based agent with an example and diagrammatic representation. So we know what is meant by simple reflex agent in the last class. Now we are just going to see in brief about what is meant by model based reflex agent. Model based reflex agent is a blueprint of describing the key component necessary to build that agent. It is an abstract architecture to guide the creation of concrete agent. Model based agent, we can it will be work only if it is a partially observable environment and track the situation. Whether software or hardware the target agent should have bit servicing as sensors, actuator, memory, etc. So if you aim at the hardware agent, you need to decide what component and collect them. A software agent would be definition of software architecture or use of some modeling framework. There are two important factors need to be considered for model based reflex agent, which is one is model and next comes to internal state. Model is nothing but it is a knowledge about how things happen in the world. So it is called a model based agent. Internal state, it is a representation of the current state based on the perceived history. These agents have the model, which is knowledge of the world, and based on the model they perform action. It also requires the updating the agent state informations about how the world evolves. Agent requires how the world evolves. We can say the example as if our Mars lander picked up the rock next to the one it was going to the world around, it would carry on as normal. First thing is an example for it. How the agent action affect the world. We can say the example as if our Mars lander took a sample under a precarious ledge, it could displace a rock and it could be crashed. So we can say like this example for updating the information like these two. We can predict how the world will react with fact, like if you remove a supporting rock under a ledge, the ledge will fall. Such facts are called models, hence the name model based agent. Also we can say it as it uses perceived history and internal memory to make decision about the model of the world around it. The agent has to keep track of internal state, which is adjusted by each percept, and that depends on the percept history. The current status showed inside the agent, which maintains some kind of structure describing the part of the world which cannot be seen. So example for this model based agent, we can say it as vacuum cleaner agent, factory robot, mail delivery robot. Also there are several types of models in this model based agent. So what are the types means? Attributes, values, which means variables. Next comes to probability distribution over variable. Data structure, where here is meant as maps, graphs, finite state machine, etc. Next comes to facts, which means proportional logic. So this about what is the proportional logic, we'll see in detail about in the next few more slides. And next here, so this is what the model based reflex agent is. So it works by finding a rule whose condition matches the current situation. It can handle partially observable environment, as we know. So updating, as I said earlier, updating the state requires information about how the world evolves, how the agent action affect the world. Let me see the diagrammatic representation so that you might get clear about the concept. So first thing, the thing which is needed is environment. Whatever the agents might be, environment is very important. Through the environment only the agent perceives the information and action will get over there in the environment. So what are the things we needed here in the model based agent? We know it observe, if it is a partially observable only, the model based agent can able to work. So which is needed of states, how the world evolves, what my action do, what the condition should be, what the world is like now, what action I should know. Then comes to, as usual, we need a sensor and actuators, percepts and actions. So this is the environment, where the environment is going to be, so percepts, So through the percepts, it sends us what the world is like now. So what is the state of the information actually right now? So how the world evolves, what are the how the world evolves, that is needed. What my action do? So if this is the condition and this is the problem now, so what my action going to be? So this action going to be mainly based on the condition action rule. So based on the condition, if it is a the thing problem based on the previous percepts history, so having those all those history, the condition action rule will get vary. So based on the condition action rule, the action going to be done through activators, and through actuators that might be if it is a physical agent, that might be leg, hand, whatever it is. If it is a sensors, when it comes to sensors, eyes, all these are the sensoring node. So through activators, what this activator will do, just perform the action based on the condition action rule. So based on the condition action rule will be depends on the percepts history. So what are the previous history going to be? So percept history, which is the thing, based on that it going to depends upon the condition action rule. It plays the action through activators, and through activators the action going to be played in the environment. So this is what the model based agent. As we know, model based agents plainly works, it's a blueprint of describe the key component necessary to build that agent. So what are the key components that are needed for building a particular agent? That is what the model based agent is. Since it is knowledgeable about how things happen in the world, that is what this is called as a model based agent. How think happens in the world, how the thing happens in the world, that is what it is mainly called as a model based agent. Keeping model, that is called as a model based agent. So it is also known as it work only if there is a partial observable environment and track the situation. So only if there is a history of the particular problem and can be able to track the information, all those informations, through that only the model based agent can able to work. So it contains two main factors, we know, model and the internal states. So these two, having these two informations, it maintain the informations all those in the current state to the based on the percept history. So all those information keep track on all those things using two components, which is model and the internal states. So by keeping all these things in the model based agent, it able to work like how the world evolves, what action do, condition, what is the condition may be used on the based on the history, percept history. So the based on that, it depends on that alone, and based on that it going to act in through actuators. So if it is a software or hardware, whatever the our aim is going to be, if it is a hardware, we have to decide what are the components we need to perform. So if it is a software, what are the software architecture we need to model the framework. So all these things we need to target. Whatever the problem might be, we need to target based on that. So based on the previous history and all those information it has, so from that it perform the action in the environment. Okay, this is what is meant by model based agent. So we can say its example as I said earlier, mail delivery robot, factory robot, and vacuum cleaner agent. So all these are the example of the model based agent. So in the next videos we can see that what are all the goal based agents. So next agents going to be what are all the goal based agent, in detail about what is meant by goal based agent, and what are all the diagrammatic representation, and what are all the things we need to follow for goal based agents. Thank you.